Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto Night Philosophy. Right now, we're gonna check Wing, this crazy gambling coin here, which I made a interesting review here of this coin last week, and a lot of people enjoyed the prediction I made. It was actually around here when I made the prediction, and I really thought that the coin was really going up, and it actually did, and it did a lot. So a lot of people was happy with my prediction here, and yes, that was awesome. So it really broke up, really broke many levels here. Even the targets here was quite approximately what it bounced. See the steps here. You could even sell here and buy here again, sell here and buy here again if you could, or otherwise just enjoy the ride and sell it like here if you could. Of course, nobody knows when it's gonna stop, but since then it made some moves there, some interesting moves. So right now what we can see here is some interesting move. I'm gonna talk just right now, just a second, guys. I'm gonna start making some comments here on this interesting coin. Um, I'm gonna present you with some updates here on Wink and make some predictions here on the market, on the chart here. So yeah, the first thing you can notice here is it really got a new support zone here, very strong support zone here. So this is really a buy zone here for the moment, and as you can see, just hit it here like 4 hours ago, 3 hours ago, and it really went up from there. So we really seeing a huge volume since that big bump. You remember, guys, commenting about these two big volumes here. Can you compare these volumes here? It's like five times bigger. So I thought it was going up, but I couldn't imagine it was going that much up, you know. So wow. So here we are. So a lot of volume. Now the volume is a little bit lower. It's like the maximum of value of volume before. Well, what happened to my transmission here? Why? What happened? Don't know if you guys can. Oh my God! It changed to another transmission. Crazy. Let me see here. I don't know if you guys can hear me now because stuff went crazy here. I think you, yeah, I think you guys can hear me. Oh, Eric he, good night. You can stake your BTT and Wink on Polynex, 7% early reward. Oh, interesting. Oh, nice. Well, I won't make an account on Polynex just to do that, but it's good to know. Thanks for the advice. So, well, um, one thing about Wink is that, well, I have been around the website, and what I have been seeing is there's not a lot of players. Do you guys know Bplay? Even Bplay has much more players than Wink right now. I know Bplay is like an older project. I think I'm not sure, but Wink is gonna move to Binance Smart Chain, as you can see here on the title of this video here. Wink is gonna move to Binance Smart Chain because it doesn't make sense to to not have smart chain if you're paying Ethereum fees, you know. So um so that's one thing that I actually didn't knew much, you know. This is the second casino that crypto casino that I ever played in my life, you know. So the first one was Bplay, which is in a really strong partner of Binance, and I used to uh, waste my money BNB there. I almost waste like half BNB there. I think that would be a lot of money right now. So anyway, what I'm trying to say here is that Wink has a long way to go. They say they launched a high-low here game, which is on smart chain, and I have tried, and this is just a dice game, very very simple game. So I mean, what I'm trying to say here is that I thought that this project was a little bit over, but it's still, you know, the coin is still very cheap, so it's still a good buy, I think. I'm what I'm just trying to say that this haven't not been like a certain thing, you know. This is not something that I can say, oh, a lot of people are coming in, a lot of players are doing. So this is very early project, as I can see here. So it could just dump somewhere, you know what I mean? Maybe another better casino comes out. So they trying to move to Binance Smart Chain, but they don't have they don't have players. First thing, they don't have players on their website, and the games there they have is like not really good. I've tried the live games, and the live games doesn't work. I tried like just twice, didn't work. So well, it's an early project. We the price is quite good, so wouldn't mind buying like $20, but I wouldn't put like half of my wallet on it. Never. But well, let's check the prices here. So well, it really moved to a new level here. The new level, yeah, that's the title of the actually of the stream here. The new level is here. So we have 34. We were in 26 on the last stream, which I gave some interesting advices on this coin. So right now we're seeing like the true start of this coin. You see another high, this is the second big pump. So I put it in 1 day chart here. So those two big pumps is like condensed here, and this time we had, oh, it's still, no, that's still had a 3 days of sell off here, and so we had 2 days of sell off. So probably, or maybe, we're gonna see a small sell off tomorrow. I mean, could drop down below back to 30 here, 00030, if the market's not holding enough. So we could see it go down there, trying to test uh, this new, maybe the new one support level, and then we might see it come back. So I don't, maybe, I don't think it's gonna go all over down there. Maybe it stops in the middle here and go back up. So oops, that wasn't, but maybe we see that here also here, you know. um but well, I'm just trying to say that we still have a big uptrend, so we still have a lot to burn here. So we might see this going down for 1 or 2 days if the markets keeps the same trend as today. You know, Bitcoin was almost 60K, now it's 54. So that's a huge move here. But well, let me check something else here. Well, actually, we are in a very, very supportive zone. So the other thing that really might happen right now, we see uptrend here. We just see it breaking this zone here, and then we're gonna have the next new level. It's gonna be here. So if you really believe in this coin, this is a great place to buy it right now, in my opinion. So guys, how you guys doing? You guys are late in the night like me here? Not really late, but you know. So well, it might just go up right now. You see, there is made this interesting pattern here. So we might see it try it again and break it again here. I was going to tell you something else about this coin. I don't know if it was about, well, the thing is, I'm actually not believing much on this project, but the the price and the volume opportunity is too good not to get in, you know what I mean? It's not that I don't really believe in the project. That doesn't mean I'm not gonna make profit here. So it's still a huge opportunity, but we might see some drops out, and maybe when this coin reaches out to, oh my god, it's not even a tenth of a cent, man. It's really, really cheap, very cheap. So good to see you again. Thanks, Dank Mackenzie, MacDiesel, MacDiesel. So, wow, I think tomorrow gonna be a crazy day. Maybe downside, maybe upside, but I think tomorrow is gonna have a big move. Like maybe gonna see 8%, 10% moves in the market. I don't know why, but I have this feeling that we're gonna have this huge move here.